PowerPoint, if you have encountered this error that says we're sorry, but PowerPoint has run into an error that is preventing it from working correctly, and PowerPoint will need to be closed as a result, here's a video tutorial where we would show you some of the troubleshooting options that you can try to resolve the problem. But before you try any of the resolutions, it is important to make sure that the Office is fully up to date. And start by launching Microsoft PowerPoint. Then go to the File tab, select Account, and then choose Update Options. And then select Update Now. Close the window after Office is done checking for and installing updates. If that method did not work for you, here's another method that you can try, which is to disable add-ins manually, as certain add-ins may cause compatibility issues that may cause a stop working error in Office applications. You can start by searching the Run app by pressing the Windows key and then type in this command. And then press Enter to start PowerPoint in a safe mode. Now, if PowerPoint does not start in safe mode, the problem is not within the add-ins. But if PowerPoint starts in safe mode, click on the File tab, select Options, and then choose Add-ins. In the Manage list for add-in options, choose COM Add-ins and then select Go. Uncheck one of the add-ins in the list and then click OK. Restart the application, but not in safe mode this time, and check if the error still appears. Now, the third method that you can try is to repair Office. This step is useful if one of the Office applications is damaged or corrupted. And you can do this by searching Control Panel on the Start menu, select Programs, choose Program and Features, and then find Microsoft 365. Next is to select Change, and then try Quick Repair first. And if that does not work, try the online repair. If that method did not resolve your issue, try the next method. Some older Windows device drivers may be incompatible with your Office application. Therefore, you should run a Windows or Microsoft update on your PC to ensure you have the latest drivers. You can do this by opening the Start menu, type Settings in the search box, and then select Windows Update. Then choose Check for Updates. And if updates are available, select Install. Now, the last method is your last resort in fixing this problem, which is to uninstall and reinstall Office. You can do that by searching Control Panel on the Start menu again, select Programs, choose Program and Features, and find Microsoft 365. Click on the Uninstall button, then install again Microsoft Office after you have uninstalled the program. And those are the ways that you can try to troubleshoot the error. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.